So deactivating your account twice a week is not a built-in feature of Instagram, and there isn't an official secret method to automate this process. However, you can deactivate your Instagram account manually whenever you want. Here's the process how you can do that. First of all, you have to launch your Instagram. So here you can see that. So the Instagram allows you to temporarily deactivate your account, but you can do once per a week. So here's the manual process. First of all, you have to log in into your Instagram through your web browser. So just go for the Instagram login page here. So once you have been successfully logging into your account and once you are on your home page, you have to tap on your profile. And once you are on your profile, you have to just go and click on the edit profile option. So once you are on your edit profile, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see the option to temporarily deactivate my account. So here you have to see for the option of deactivate account. So you have to just navigate to your profile here. Once you are on your profile, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen here, and here you have to tap on the gear icon here, so you can see that. And here you have to just go for the see more in account changer. So you have to just go for the personal detail here and just go for the account ownership and control. And here you can see the deactivation or deletion. Just go for your account sleep. So deactivating account is temporary. So you have to deactivate your account, which can be done once in a week, not twice in a week. So there is no any built-in feature of Instagram. So this way you can easily deactivate your account once in a week. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.